My video tutorial is about getting rid of the fake or human verification alerts related to the site News-reyulu.cc. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by this site News-reyulu.cc. Such pop-ups are totally faulty and obviously deceptive. They try to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. Some people do that, and that's a mistake, of course, because to click on allow is dangerous and this may hijack the browser with plenty of advertisements that would be popping up randomly in the right part of the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on allow button, you need to fix your browser urgently. Access the menu, go to settings, then privacy and security, site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Now carefully examine all these sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these malicious sites in case you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I do recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official site combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then begin researching your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.